Hey guys, Liam from Killer Ink here, and today I'm going to be taking a look at the Equaliser Wireless Pen. Designed by KWADRON in Poland, the Equaliser Wireless Pen is a user-friendly wireless tattoo machine with a built-in battery. So let's take a closer look. KWADRON has joined the cordless revolution with the Equaliser Wireless Pen, which features a built-in battery, therefore eliminating the need for cables or power supplies. The battery within the wireless pen offers a working time of up to 8 hours and will take approximately 2 hours to fully charge. As you can see, KWADRON has included a USB-C charging cable in the box. The Equaliser Wireless Pen has an aluminium housing and features a clear digital display and 3 easy-to-use buttons for operating the machine. The digital display shows the voltage, battery level percentage and the time that has elapsed since switching on the machine, which resets every time you switch the wireless pen off. Equaliser's wireless machine offers a voltage range of 5 to 12 volts, adjustable in 0.1 volt increments and decrements. The recommended voltage range is between 5 and 10 volts. Power in the Equaliser Wireless Pen is a 4.5 watt motor, with this rotary also offering a 3.5mm stroke length, direct drive and built-in jump start. This tattoo machine from KWADRON comes with an aluminium grip that has a 32mm diameter, as well as 2 additional non-slip silicone grips, one with a 32mm width and the other measuring 35mm in diameter. Rounding off the measurements, the Equaliser Wireless Pen tops the scales at 120 grams and measures in at 130mm in length. The Equaliser Wireless Pen from KWADRON is available in 3 colours, black, red and silver, and can be ordered from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. So what do you think of the Equaliser Wireless Pen? Will you be picking up KWADRON's first wireless tattoo machine? As always, let us know in the comments below, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.